Alright, so I narrowed another S550 subframe. Here's a factory one. You can see it's big old wide sumbitchy here, and it's got big soft rubber bushings everywhere and all that good stuff. But this is a pretty good design. So I did a little different than the last one, which I did a lot of chrome ollie tubing all over, and but this one I wanted to strengthen from the bottom, so I did some 1.5 3/16 wall square tubing and tied that in. There's a few gussets that tie into the sides, and you know, these are the diff mounts right here, and they're solid plated, all that good stuff. And I'm also doing solid subframe bushings, and I didn't want to weld this in case I needed to do some thrust angle adjustments, and you know, just sometimes you got to move the subframe around a little bit to get it in exactly the right spot, so let's make that a little bit easier. But same thing on the back, it's just 1.5 inch square tubing, and then a 3/16 plate to locate everything, and solid mounts all around. So this is going to go in my white truck. I'm going to keep the 373 gears, which here's the diff right here, and this is an iron housing. So should be pretty stout. This has 373 gears and a locker and all that good stuff. I'm just going to keep it like that for a while. I'd like to probably do like a 456 gear or something like that, because I have the T56 now, and I can do a fair amount of creative gearing and still have everything be usable. So yeah, and in classic fashion I didn't film any of this, but definitely did it, and there it is. So I'm going to be putting this in the truck, and I'm going to start on it in about a week. I'm going to cage the truck, do this, a few other things, and it should be pretty fun. So there you go, another narrowed S550 subframe.